in this video, I'm going to show you how to polish out or how to defog some lights. These kind of have like a yellow hue to them. And what I'm going to try first is the magic eraser and see what that does. Looks like it might actually be on the inside. So being as that's the case, what I want to do is take these little bolts out, but they're actually stripped. So what I'm gonna have to do is put a little notch in here, and that'll allow me to get it out with a flathead screwdriver. So what we're gonna use here is just a cutoff wheel, and we're gonna make a notch right there, trying not to get into the black part. Hey, this one's gonna come out. Let's see what we can do with this. I think it was just dust that was back up behind there. See what we can do with this with some cleaner wax. See what that does. There. Zero difference. All right. Give this a whirl. We're just gonna try it on a little segment of it right here. So I'm gonna hold this down and see what we can do. I'm gonna start with this Meguiar's high cut, ultra cut. See what that does. Ooh, already amazing. Sick. I'm gonna put it all over it. All right. Now I'm gonna put some polishing compound on it. That looks way better. It's just like night and day. So this is the one we just did, and this is the other one. Night and day. I've had these on here for over 5 years, and I've not once taken these lenses off. So if you do this, make this a habit of taking these lenses off. That's really gonna save you in the long run, because your bolts aren't gonna seize up like mine did, and they just won't get as nasty as this. I'm gonna take some bearing grease and I'm gonna coat this whole thing with grease. And what that's gonna do is any dust that tries to get in here is just gonna get trapped between the seal and the grease. It's a little plumbing trick my friend taught me, but it can apply with pretty much any rubber seal. This looks way better. Looks like a brand new light. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. All right, so this is number 2, and it cleaned up super duper nice. It basically looks like a brand new light. I'm just gonna go back around and clean up the perimeter here. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to give your truck a new look, polish up your LED lights, it's that easy. So you could probably do this by hand without a buffer, just getting some of this Ultra Cut compound by Meguiar's and just an applicator pad, just going over it a few times. I think that would work just fine. And then the second stuff we used was just Meguiar's cleaner wax. But anyways, they turned out super nice. So I am really happy, ready to get these mounted on the Sequoia.